Yeah, I bet you weren't expecting a title like that on this channel. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And yeah, we're diving into the world of Minecraft today. Specifically, we're going to be doing a follow-up to this video I made back in September of 2020, where I showcased a Minecraft mod called MCVM Computers. It's a very unique mod that allows you to build a computer within Minecraft using virtual parts. All the parts you would use to build a computer in the real world. You've got CPUs, RAM, motherboards, hard drives, GPUs. Yeah, at least you can get a GPU from somewhere these days, and you can actually install an operating system on it. This is done through a virtual machine that runs via VirtualBox on your computer in a headless state, which essentially means that it's running in the background. The mod is able to display the virtual machine's output in the game and allow you to interact with it. It's a very, very cool mod to say the least, and if you want to learn more about it, you can click here to check out the original video. But today we're going to be trying an experiment that was heavily requested on that video, and is something that I honestly thought of myself too, and that is, can we install Minecraft in this virtual machine and then play it within Minecraft? In theory, it should work, but if you're a subscriber, you know all the problems we seem to get into whenever I press record. So let's put it to the test and find out. I've got a copy of Windows 10 64-bit installed in the virtual machine here, as you can see. But before we take a look at trying to install Minecraft on it, let's go over the hardware that I've installed in the virtual computer. So we've got obviously a 64-bit motherboard, 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is the maximum amount that you can currently use, and I've got the host CPU divided by 2, which is supposed to take the number of cores that your host computer has and divide it by 2. Unfortunately, that isn't what's happening. VirtualBox reports the amount of cores as 1. Now this is a current issue. If you go over to the GitHub page, somebody posted about this, and that was on February 3rd of this year, so this is a known bug, but the developer has released multiple updates to this. In fact, and I find this really cool, he's a viewer of the channel. He actually commented on the original video, which I think is just pretty awesome. One of the other cool things he did is, after that video was released, he updated the mod with additional RAM sizes. Now this was something I briefly mentioned in the original video because I was trying to initially install like Windows 95 or Windows 98, and at that time the mod had a minimum RAM size of 1 gigabyte, so you couldn't use anything less than this, and you cannot make changes to the hardware settings from within VirtualBox. It will just be reset when you launch the VM from Minecraft. So for example, I can't set this to 2 or 4 cores and then save it and try to launch the VM from within Minecraft. It'll just reset back to 1 core. So now, if you want to run an older operating system, you can, because the lowest RAM size is 64 megabytes, which is pretty awesome. But with all that aside, let's just get into trying to install Minecraft in this virtual machine. Now, one thing I had to do, and this isn't anything specific to the mod, but I had to modify the network adapter settings. Windows 10, at least the version that I'm running here, does not play very nicely with the default network adapter settings that VirtualBox sets up for you. So if you're experiencing problems, just try to set the adapter type to Intel Pro 1000 MT desktop. And this worked for me. In fact, there's a thread over on the VirtualBox forums that talks about this. I'll have it linked down below. But aside from that, the only thing I've done in the VM is install VMware tools. And we're just going to jump right into it. So let's see if we can install Minecraft. Now, you'll notice that yeah, using the VM from within Minecraft is not the most pleasant experience, and that's to be expected because of just how the mod works. So there is going to be noticeable lag. You can see I'm moving the mouse cursor around here, and yeah, there is a very noticeable delay, and I touch on this in the original video as well. Luckily though, we don't have to sit here and deal with this for the entire video trying to install Minecraft. One of the nice things you can do with a headless VM is you can show it from within VirtualBox here. So it is running in the background, like I said, but I can click on show here and then show the window. So let's just head on over to Minecraft.net, and this is going to be really interesting if we can get this working. Now, like I said, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't work, because this is just like installing Minecraft in any old virtual machine, but you never know what kind of problems you're going to run into in an MJB video, because I seem to say, it seems like every time I say, oh, this is going to work with no problems, something always seems to go wrong. So I'm definitely going to be prepared for issues to arise. Okay, so we're going to download for Windows. There we go, Minecraft installer.msi. We'll install to the default directory. That's fine. Install. Yes. And here we go. We're going to log in. Now, here's the question. I'm already logged into Minecraft, and I'm playing the game right now. So can I log in, like, on another session here? Let's find out. So far, so good. We've got the game downloaded here. It's currently finalizing, and see, what did I tell you? It says the driver does not appear to support OpenGL. Make sure you have up-to-date drivers. Now, I have VirtualBox Guest Editions installed. Alright, luckily, we may have a fix. So I found a YouTube tutorial, actually, that talks about this issue, and it's got 22,000 likes, and to a Mediafire page here with a DLL file that you have to copy over to your Java directory. So we're going to go into this folder right here, and this is the file, so we're going to copy it and go into C, program files, Java, JRE, bin, and paste it in here. Continue, go to copy it over. It's the same error message. The driver does not appear to support OpenGL. So that did not do anything for us. Oh, here we go. Oh, we can change the... Well, the reason why that DLL file, copying that DLL file didn't work is because we weren't even using the same Java directory. This is just the Java runtime that comes with Minecraft. So if we go back and manually specify program files, Java, JRE, Java W, we'll open that. Okay, so now... If this works, then I could just copy that DLL file over to Java running Minecraft. Okay, but Java is running in the background. It is utilizing 87% of the CPU, which is, you know...